Okay, welcome. And so I'm going to go over a quick example of supplementary and complementary angles. Okay, so in this example here, I'm just going to show you a couple things. So we've got these three figures, and we see that this angle here is 55 degrees. We see that this angle here is 125 degrees. And then we've got these two angles that are next to each other there, and they form this square angle here. So what can we deduce from these figures about these different angles that we see on the board here? Well, if we take this angle here and we take the measure of this angle here and we add them together, what do we get? Well, if we take 125 and add 55, we get 180 degrees. Okay, which means that these two angles make up or add up to a straight angle. So we would say, now again, this sometimes with geometry it takes a little bit of mental gymnastics. So what that means is if we were able to manipulate this and turn this around and slide it over, it would fit nicely and complete a nice straight angle. So we would say that these are supplementary angles. Okay, this is a supplement or the supplement of this angle. Okay, then if we look at this figure down here, we can see that this figure is a right angle, right? So angle QOP is a right angle, but it's also made up of these two angles, right? They share a ray, right? They share a common ray, a common side. And so we know that even though we don't have the measurements here, we know that they have to add up to this square angle, up to 90 degrees. So we would say that angle QOR is complementary, or excuse me, angle QOR and angle ROP are complementary angles. We would say this angle is the complement of this angle. Okay, and that's it. That's really all there is to it. Okay, so understanding the definitions between supplementary and complementary angles is just a matter of just adding the measurements of the angles and seeing if they add up to either 180 degrees or 90 degrees, or looking at a visual and seeing that they have to be complementary or they have to be supplementary. Okay, that's it. See you next time.